Hi everyone, this is Andy with Blungo.com. In this video, we're going to go over the general settings of Google Calendar. Let's start. Okay, so let's open Google Calendar and then click here on the settings menu and then go to settings. And we're going to focus on the general settings here on the left panel. So on language and region, we can change the language, country, date format, as well as the time format. On time zone, we can display a secondary time zone. For example, if we work with people all around the world, we could have other time zones here. So let's click here and click where it says secondary time zone. And here we can select one from the list. So let's scroll down and select this one. We can also add a label. I'm going to show you how the time zone looks like in a second. We can also add a different world clock, clicking here. So let's add another time zone and click here. And let's pick New York. We can also add multiple time zones if we click again here. Then on event settings, we can change the default duration of the event, meaning that when we create a new event, the default duration is not going to be 60 minutes. So it could be, for example, 30 minutes. You can uncheck this option if you would like Google not to add a new Google Meet conference each time you create an event. Finally, in the view option, you can change the way you see your calendar. For example, we can just not show weekends. And we can also show the week numbers. On start week on, we can change the day that we start a week. And we can set our custom view to different length. In this section, you can turn on and off keyword shortcuts. And finally, in offline, you can turn on your offline calendar. All right, let's go back. And we can review the changes we just made. Here you can see the two time zones, as well as the New York time. This is the week number. And the calendar is not showing Sundays and Saturdays, only the weekdays. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I also have other videos about Google Calendar on this channel, so feel free to check them out. Thanks for watching.